All right, so here's a quick demo of the ReviewRaptor plugin, and I'm on the plugins settings page. This is on my WordPress backend, and I'm using the 0 to 10K site. And what this powerful plugin does is that it goes to our source site where we have professionally written review articles, and it imports those and populates them with the user's links, affiliate links, unique links, and posts them on the blog. So I have decided that I want these articles to be published and not go to draft, but you can also choose draft. How many articles you want today? 1 or 5 or 10, however many you want. I've set it to 1 because it's then drip feed. And then you can choose an article category. So I've chosen reviews over here. And as you can see, it's already imported over the days 19 articles over here. And you can choose to import or not import the image. And in this case, I've chosen yes. And then you need to provide your JVZoo affiliate ID. You can also use your ClickBank affiliate ID. But what we are doing is listing products over here that are promoted only on JVZoo. Now, once all these are set up, you can go to the log page. And this is where you see the log of what the plugin has already done. Now, what you can also do, which I'll not do now, is you can ask the plugin to force import the articles. So when you click on this button right here, it'll force import all the articles that are on the review source site and post them here as drafts or posts, published posts on the user's blog. Now, for whatever reason, if you don't have affiliate approval, you can also get affiliate approval by clicking on this link, and it'll take you straight to the affiliate approvals page. And you can either get your links or apply to be an affiliate. And let's see what the end product looks like. So if you head over to the site and go to the reviews page, you have all these professionally written articles with demo videos and all the content that you get all at the click of a few buttons. So amazingly powerful plugin. And the best part is that your articles always have your unique affiliate link in there. So if you see there at the bottom of the screen, that's my unique affiliate link based on my ID. So very powerful plugin, and which I'm sure your users are going to just enjoy. Thanks.